What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. You know watermelon, everybody loves watermelon, but you probably been eating it wrong. So let's check it out. I'm gonna show you the right way to cut a watermelon, and so when you eat it, it's very simple and you don't mess up your face with the watermelon. Well, let's get to it. First of all, you want a nice big knife, but if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. You can do it with big knife or small knife. At first, I'm gonna cut the watermelon in half. Boom, like that. Look, this is awesome watermelon, seedless, you know. Alright, after you cut it in half, put it in a bowl so it's like stays kind of steady, you know. And then what I do is push it like that and cut it in half like that, all the way around. You see, this thing lifts up, but keep it on a watermelon and then just cut it in half like this. Like that and like that, you know? So you got 4 pieces like that, alright? Well, when you eat it, let's say you eat it all this. So when you eat it, let's say you ate this part, and when you have to eat this part, you touch it, you touch watermelon to your face like this. So all your watermelon, all your face in the watermelon. So right now I'm gonna show you how to avoid that. How to avoid messing up your face, especially for kids, you know. You just grab it like that and cut this piece out and cut this piece out. And check this out. This is just genius. You didn't waste any watermelon, as you see, and now when you eat it, you're not gonna mess up your face. Let's demonstrate. So you can start from the top, from the side. You can go from the other side. You see, and my face is clean. But if you eat one of this, let's say I already ate the top. And you see, half of my face in the watermelon now. I can avoid this. It just will touch my face. You see? There's no way to avoid it. So once again, look at this very thick and nice piece. Just don't forget. Cut it right here. Cut it right here. And serve it, you know. People will be amazed. People gonna be so, people will think you're a genius. The right way, you know, if you have a small carry-on item, you don't want to have too much luggage, or even in your luggage, how to put your shorts the neatest way so you can fit the most shorts. This is actually used by military and actually called the Ranger roll. It's like used by military because it's so sufficient and tight, and you can put a lot more other stuff, not just t-shirts in there. So let's check it out. Alright guys, here's my short. First of all, I'm gonna pull it down like that. First I'm gonna go to the bottom and put it like that inside out, few inches. Like that on this side and on that side. Kinda match it up so it's all the same level. You see what I'm saying? And then you're gonna pull it down like this. You see how it's all flat, wrinkle free, and then you're gonna grab this and put it to the middle. Again, kind of put all the wrinkles away, and then push this one over here. Then grab the other side and put it over this side, and push this thing right here. So then, as you can see, it's like mostly wrinkle free. We're gonna turn it around. And what we're gonna do here, very important, we're gonna start rolling it up as tight as we can, you know what I mean? Remember, this is not the fastest way to do it. This is just to make it as much space as you can in your travel bag, in your carry-on item. You know, you're gonna push it up all the way over here. Military using this all the time, you know. They pack their shorts, everything like that, you know. And then you have a nice rolled up short. Just like this. Check this out. This is nice and neat, and you know which color your shirt, so you know what kind of shirt it is, and you can just grab it, and okay, and easy to roll it up. You just all have to do is undo this thing and roll it up. You know, and fast food places, you get this kind of buckets. It's a ketchup holders, and then you pour ketchup into here, and you know, you end up with a little bit of ketchup. But most of the time, it's not enough ketchup. I usually take 2 or 3 of this paper stuff. But this is actually waste of ketchup, and you know, it's like annoying. Well, what if I tell you that you've been using it wrong? You can actually save the earth by, after doing a little hack to it, you can fit twice amount of ketchup in here. Well, let's get to it and let's see what I'm talking about. So here you have 3 buckets, little buckets of like ketchup. You know, there's 1, there's 2. So that's 2 little ones. But what if all you have to do is grab it like that and pull it over here and skip 1 or 2, pull it on this one. You see what I'm saying? Skip 1 or 2, pull it right here. Skip 1 or 2, pull it right here. 1, 2, skip 1, and you got this big bucket now. And let's see if we put this bucket in here and this bucket. You see, we can fit the 2 buckets of ketchup, and it's 1, and it's actually easier to dip. So dip your fries and you can eat it. I don't have any fries, but this is a little demonstration. Works perfect. And how do you take off this short usually? You know, you probably been doing it wrong. Like, let's say you do it like that. You see, it's so many stakes to take off the short. Or some people do it like this, from the bottom go up, you know. But right here is the fastest way if you wanna impress your lady, you know, like come home and take off the short the super fast way. Here it is, and with one hand too, not using even one hand. You just stand like this, you grab it here and boom. But you know, let's see it again. So all you have to do is grab it by this thing all the way inside and put your elbow down this way, and you just like go that way and drop your short. Boom. After you practice, and you know, you're gonna get like super fast at it, and very cool, very impressive, you know. Like that easy. That's how you're supposed to take off short, that fast, you know. Let's do one more. You guys ready? Check it out. That easy. Everybody crack eggs and cook eggs, but what if I tell you that you've been cracking your eggs wrong? Well, let's check this out. So you grab your egg, and if you smash it on a side, what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up with tiny little bitty shell pieces inside. Let's look at it in close up. You see right here, you have, this is the shell, eggshell, and there's a whole bunch of small pieces. So you see, like that's a pretty small piece. So somebody gonna bite into it and they're gonna feel like it's a shell. And you know, they have like a lot smaller pieces right there. There's right here even one more small pieces. So nobody likes to ended up eating like little pieces of shell. It's really annoying, you know. Or if you drop one, it's a pain to take one out, you know. But here's the right way to crack an egg so you don't have that problem. Pretty much you wanna crack your egg on a flat surface, just like that. Boom, you see it? And then, like, you know, whenever you're gonna pull it apart, there's no shell gonna go inside over there. Not even microlea ones. Not even talking about the big ones. You see, there's no shell whatsoever in there. Not even microlea bitty ones, you know. So again, crack it on a flat surface. You see it? There's a little crack, and just pull it on each other, and you're good to go. You see, there's no shell whatsoever. This is perfect eggs without any little bitty pieces of egg. Any professional cook will tell you this is the right way actually to crack an egg.